Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt and lift the bed to create clearance in the work area. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets or clips near the front bed mount. Step 3. Inspect the frame rail where the front bed mount is installed. If the frame rail is structurally sound, cut off the factory front bed mount along the base where it is welded to the frame. If the frame rail requires repair, remove the bed mount, grind the area to bare metal, apply weld-through primer, and install the required frame repair kit. Step 4. Position the replacement front bed mount using the factory parts silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place prior to welding all edges fully. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, brackets, and lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.